Hi everyone, check this out. We just got this in the mail. This is our new file cabinet and I think it's a gorgeous piece. So first of all, it was so easy to assemble. Everything came labeled and take a look at how beautiful this piece of furniture is. So you get that pretty matte black with of course that rustic brown, and you get 3 drawers on that side. The top one locks, which is incredible, so you can keep anything from wallets to phone in there just like that, and you can lock it and you get 2 sets of keys, so you can always have a spare on hand. And of course this is also used to display our handy trusty printer up here. It has so much space on the top still over there, and of course you get these 2 little shelves in there to display anything you can possibly want. But my favorite part about this piece is that it rolls, you guys. So it has 4 sets of wheels and you can roll this from your office to your bedroom and you can get all that filing done. The last drawer all the way in the bottom is actually for filing, so you can keep all your files in there nicely and organized, and I think this is a must-have piece for anyone that has a home office. So go check it out. I definitely recommend it.